In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cut out an image in Canva. By the end, you'll know how to quickly remove a background so your subject stands out cleanly for thumbnails, product shots, social posts, or any design where a crisp cutout makes the difference. First, open your design and bring the photo you want to cut out onto the canvas. Click the image to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box with handles around the edges. If your page is busy with layers, click directly on the photo until you see that outline appear. Avoid double-clicking, which enters crop mode. If you do, just click elsewhere once to return to the normal selection. With the image selected, look for Canva's background remover, often labeled BG Remover. You'll find it by clicking Edit Image in the toolbar that appears above the editor. In the panel that opens, choose Background Remover. As soon as you click it, Canva analyzes the photo and removes the background automatically. This usually takes a moment, and you'll see a preview appear as it finishes. Most of the time, the automatic result is spot on. If you notice small areas that were missed or over-erased, use the Erase and Restore tools within the same BG Remover panel to fine-tune the edges. Adjust the brush size for detailed areas like hair, fingers, or product cutouts, and zoom in so you can work precisely. Aim for a clean, consistent edge without halos. If you go too far, undo or switch to Restore to bring back what you need. When it looks right, simply close the panel to return to your canvas. Your image is now cut out and ready to use. A few quick pointers to get the best results. High contrast photos, where the subject stands out clearly from the background, tend to cut out more cleanly. Good lighting and sharp focus help preserve edge detail. If you're working with complex subjects like flyaway hair or transparent objects, spend an extra minute with the brush tools to refine tricky sections. And if the background has repeating patterns or similar colors to your subject, small manual touch-ups will make a big difference. That's it. Click the image to select it, then use BG Remover to take out the background and refine as needed. With this simple workflow, you can create professional-looking cutouts in seconds and keep your designs clean, modern, and attention-grabbing.